Good morning, guys. We are back at the track finally. So today it's just a fun day. We want to do some testing on tires. Sorry for the noise, but you know, it's the stuff we like. So we got the JZX here. It's ready by now. I set up the data, the drift bit, to get some data on which tire does what. So car is ready, checked over, tightened down the lug nut, so on, as the stuff you do. Here are the stuff which is on the menu today. So we got, right now, we got the Velinos on there, the practice tire. They have a tread wear of 360. They're supposed to run super long, we'll see. 265, 35, 18. Next one will be a Sestino and a 235, 35, 18. This one is the Acroa 07A. So this is slightly smaller. Here we got the Westlake in a 265, 35, 18. It's the Sport RS model. These are kind of old, we'll see how they do. Then we got the Secnovas. It's the Super Sports RS in a 265, 35, 18. Then we got some Velinos, Pergea 08R. They rated at a tread wear of 200. And then there's more Sestinos in 265 and more Westlakes. And I got some more Velinos that came in. The 08C, which is rated at a 300 tread wear, but supposedly responds really well to dropping tire pressure. So we'll see what that do. Yeah, I will do the video on the results on tire testing. We'll do a second video on that stuff. So today will be all about driving, having some fun, burning through some tires, having a good time. Weather is not that nice, so we'll see how that goes. It's slightly damp at this point, but we'll see. It will be a test for the car. There's some new stuff on it. Test for me, so getting some more laps in. Been a minute. First time to drive on a proper track this year. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, first lap out was just only one lap. The car is super unstable while on throttle, so I guess the toe in the rear is crazy off. I didn't have time to check that stuff. Unfortunately, I don't have the toe plates with me. Fucking rookie mistake, but I'll go and see if somebody has something around. There's some good guys around, and I hope we'll find something. I'll keep you posted. So guys, it's lunch break now. I'm chilling a bit in the bus because it's fucking wet outside. My shoes are super wet. My suit is kind of wet since I've had to work under the car a little bit. Yeah, on track was okay. There's lots of water on track. I've rarely seen Anno as wet as today, but it is what it is. We'll have fun anyway. So I'm still on the first set of tires. I'm not so sure what I should do about today. I might just switch out some of the rear tires to see how other tires perform in the wet, to see how that works. Car works okay so far. Some alignment problems, some stuff was out of sync, crazy. Speaking of sync, I'm just syncing up the drift bit to retrieve some data from the runs I did, so I'll be able to analyze them and see how that stuff works. I had some clean laps in there more or less for certain parts of the track, but of course I can go much harder than that. So right now it's a lunch break. I'll grab some snacks and then we'll out there again in like half an hour. All right. So guys, we just finished the day, packed up, just took off from Anna Duran. It was a fun day. Unfortunately couldn't burn through any tires, the weather just wasn't having it. It was good fun though. Tire test, not very much we could do there, it was so wet. Hey guys, couldn't finish up yesterday. My battery went dead and I was driving home. As said, it was a good day, good fun. Even though we couldn't test the tires, it was wet all day. Conditions were a bit special. First time I had it like that at that track at Ono. So yeah, it is what it is. So today we already unloaded. JZX is ready to get back in. The guys are doing some work. If you want to see some special stuff though, our neighbor has some nice cars. Not sure if you can see it. Super sweet R35 GTR. We supplied some parts for it. They're gonna hit Monza tomorrow. Track, go to Italy, but they actually have some nicer stuff in there because I think it's probably one of the craziest R35 collections, maybe worldwide, I don't know. So what he also has is a proper GT3 car in there. So yeah, good stuff. I hope one day we can get in there. I'll show you some more of it. As you can see, lots of tires we have to get rid of, projects, cars, client cars, our cars, so on, so on. If you need anything done on your car, hit us up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.